Well, let's start with a very simple fact that I think is shocking, unarguable. No historian can dispute it. And it forces you to really rethink the way you think about the Republican Party and the Democratic Party, particularly in relationship to slavery. So, in 1860, which was the year that the Civil War began, there were approximately 4 million slaves in America. And the question I asked, which apparently had rarely been asked before, at least not in recent memory, was how many of those slaves were owned by Democrats as opposed to Republicans? The reason that this question is camouflaged is because people love to portray slavery as a North South issue. And to some degree it was. But let's remember that the Republican Party was the predominant party in the North. Even though Abraham Lincoln ran in the 1860 election, he was not even allowed on the ballot of 10 southern states, and he still won. So that gives you an idea of what a regional party the Republican Party was. Its strength was in the North. The Democratic Party's strength, there was some in the North, but it was predominantly in the South. So let's look at the slavery issue from the partisan lens of Republicans and Democrats. I discovered that in 1860, the year of the Civil War, there were fewer than 10, I repeat, 10 Republicans in the United States who owned slaves. So let's think about that. That means that there were some other minor parties, but the vast, vast majority of slaves, let's just say 3,999,000 or thereabouts, are owned by Democrats. Now, you can scour the textbooks, you can scour the historical documentaries on the Civil War, which have been many. You will not find this fact present or taught or promulgated. And so there is a powerful effort on the part of academia and the media to suppress true information because it is, to quote Al Gore, an inconvenient truth.